Vanakkam. Greetings to all Indian Forest Service aspirants. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you to my YouTube channel Silva, a ladder to reach canopy. In the last three sessions, we have covered silviculture general, silviculture systems, and silviculture of mangroves and cold deserts. Now, we are moving to the individual aspect, that is silviculture of trees. So, following aspects are going to be covered in this chapter: traditional and recent advances in tropical silviculture research and practices. So in the previous three sessions, it was talking about the forest, and now we are going to talk about the silviculture of individual trees. Research is the very important aspect in any field, and forestry is also not exception to that. So quite number of research organizations are functioning in the country which are working for the improvement in research in trees and related aspects. So some notable examples in the research organizations are: at the central level we have Indian Council of Forest Research Education, headquartered at Dehradun, and quite number of branches which are functioning at various level, working for the different ecosystems which are part of this Indian Council of Forest Research and Education. Institute like KFRI, Kerala Forest Research Institute, which is part of any state government. These are the some notable examples of research organization. And what are the various advancements taking place in the field of research? That is about the individual trees, natural trees, or the plantation trees. All will be covered in the first chapter: traditional and recent advances in tropical silviculture research and practices. So the Kerala Forest Research Institute is one example. There are more such institutes are available with every state. So we will be seeing the notable advanced work done by the central and state research institutes. And second important aspect is about silviculture characteristics of various trees. Because studying of silviculture characteristics is very crucial for any kind of planting program, maybe afforestation program or any exotic introductions. So any kind of planting program require the basic understanding of silviculture characteristics. So we are going to cover 32 different tree species with the complete details of species name, distribution and climate, physiognomy and phenology. This is about the nature of tree, whether it's a deciduous tree or the evergreen tree. And this is the different characteristics, like when the leaves are shedding, when the flowers are produced, and when the seeds are setting. And silviculture characteristics. This is about the how the trees are reacting to the frost, fire, coppicing, root, sucker. These are some of the important characteristics we are going to cover in this aspect. And the fifth one is about the regeneration. This is about the natural regeneration. What kind of natural regeneration is possible for a particular tree? It's a seed or through any other asexual production. And artificial regeneration, whether what kind of treatment is required for the particular seeds, and about the nursery practices. All these are part of this regeneration. And yield and use. So what is the expected yield from a given tree, and the uses? It may be timber uses and other NTP uses. So all these things are going to be covered in the second important aspect, silviculture characteristics of various trees. And we are going to see all these characteristics for 32 different tree species. And these tree species includes the trees growing in the natural forest like teak, sal, dalbergia, latifolia, sandal, and many plantation oriented like industrial plantation, acacia auriculiformis, casuarina, eucalyptus. So similarly, many other species also going to be covered in this chapter, silviculture characteristics of various trees. So this is the nutshell of the title, silviculture of trees. Dear aspirants, that's all about the details of silviculture of trees, and I wish to inform you that the PowerPoint version of the same subject will be updated soon. If you have any kind of queries or the doubts, kindly let us know in the comment section below. And please subscribe this channel to get more information. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you very much.